welcome to RenwilEducate channel. In this video, again we will continue the from the last session. We are learning the basics of MS Excel and we are under Home menu. In this session, we will see the conditional formatting. I believe we learned in the last video. So we will learn in the format as table, cell style and other some features. Okay, now I have data of 4 student marks. Okay, just I will make enlarge and make little bigger font. Now if you see, there is a format as table. First of all, to insert this table to this area, either you can go to insert and click table or simply press Ctrl T. When you press Ctrl T, the text where there is data exists, that area will be selected. If you can see B2, that is B2 till BF8. So this entire area is selected to make as table. So again there is a checklist, my table as headers. So this is the headers. So you can select this as checklist and click OK. So when you press OK, you can see a table is created and under under design, various table designs are displayed. So you can see whichever design you can change as per your requirement. Okay, now I will go to home and I will keep the cursor here in the table, and I'll go to home and I will go to here format as table. So here also same the design what is showing under design screen, you can view here also, and whichever design you want you can change as per your requirement. Okay, this is format as a table feature. So there are various designs, various layouts, so you can select the layout whichever you want. Okay, so this is related to formatting table. After that there is a style, cell styles. Now for example, I will keep the cursor here, biology. So in this cursor, the background color is green and font color is black. So you can change this one to the different color or different style, depends on, say even heading also you can make it big or small like that. So depends on your need or your requirement. So I will make this as background color red and background color as orange and font color as white. So this is cell style. You can change this cell style. Okay, after that there is insert feature. So insert, you can insert a cell, you can insert a row, insert a column and insert table rows above or down or left or right. All these features you can use. Even you can insert a sheet if you require. So on blank sheet is created. Okay, so I'll, for just example say, I will just insert one sheet row. See, one sheet row means the current cell where you kept the cell, there sheet row is created. After the insert there is this delete option. Same like insert, we can delete the cell, we can delete the rows, you can delete the columns, you can delete the table rows, table columns, and we can delete the sheet as well. So let me delete this current row so that row is deleted. Similarly, you can go to here and delete this sheet also. See, this is the feature how you can use to insert, to delete rows, sheets, whichever you want. Okay, now coming to format section. See, under home menu there is a format sub menu. You can use this, or simply click right click and you can go to format. Okay, so this also possible. Now I will use this one. So now see, for example, under format you can say, change the row height, auto fit row height, okay, column width, auto fit column width, default width, then hide and unhide rows, cells, sheets. For example, I want unhide, I want to hide this row. See, that particular row is hidden. So you can go here and hide this one, or you can simply right click, and here if you can select that row, right click and you can select as example. Now I will go to unhide. See, you have the option here, unhide. You can unhide or you can hide, whichever you want. Okay, so this is one feature of formatting. There are various features under this format, so this you can use, depends on your requirement. Even if you want tab color also you can give. For example, I will give this tab color, this one. See that when you go to next sheet, you can see the of that sheet 1 color. Okay, the background color is changed to blue color. Okay, now so the next feature is editing. Okay, cells, styles, numbers, alignments, font and clipboard. These features we learn, and the last feature we are supposed to learn now, that is editing. Now see, first one is functions. Here just you can see auto sum, but it's not just auto sum. There are various functions in the right drop down. If you see, there are many functions which you can use for your needs. So I will just use this function as sum. I'll just click auto sum. When I give auto sum, it will calculate sum of that particular column and it will give that figure. So you can go to similar ways and simply click auto sum. So you will get sum of all that particular columns. So this is one beauty. So if similarly, if you want to sum of this row, so you can just skip the cursor here and give auto sum. See that area is selected, so you can press enter. So you will get entire sum of that particular each rows in that particular column. So this is the beauty of this feature. Okay, so you can see how this table looks very nice. But here you can rename as it just mentioned as column 2, you can rename as total. Okay, here also maybe you can give as a total, and you can keep same formatting here. Okay, so this is how. And coming to there are various functions. You can count the number, you can find out the average, you can find maximum, the largest number, the lowest number. You can, there are many functions in the Excel. You can use these functions either from this menu, or you can simply write the functions. Okay, and there is under formula, you can use this different functions available under this menu. So you can learn each functions from this menu. So right now I am in the home and there is edit option. So this first feature is auto sum is coming here, so that's why I briefly explained here how you can use this function here. So the next one is fill. See, now let me see how this function is useful. So fill right, fill down, you cannot find anything because there is a blank here. I'll just come and fill down. See, one row is inserted there. Okay, similarly you can fill up. There are one or more circular references where a formula refers to its own, so you cannot use here because it's counting the numbers. There is a formula, so it will overlap that formula, so you cannot use these functions here. So I'll go to delete option and delete that particular row. Okay, so next this is just to fill the blank cells with the data whichever you want, or either you can write. This is up to your requirement. Okay, just fill up, fill left, fill right, and fill down. So this is the functions. Now clear. See, you have the format. Okay, if you want to clear everything, you can just clear all, or if you want to just clear that particular cell or row, you can just clear this button. See that it went to original font. Okay, so if you press Ctrl Z, it will go to the old one. If you want to go back to the original font, or it will just press the clear format, it will go to original font size. You can, if you want to clear all this table, I think that particular entire this thing is when there. So clear all means, so even the text, even the digit, even what is there in the cell, it will be deleted. So if you just want to clear the format, it will be clear the format. If you want to clear the contents, only that it will contain what is the data is there, it will go. And if you want to clear the comments, so because see how to insert first of all comment, let me see. So for example, there is a comment here, insert comment, and you write something. Okay, and you can go to here and you can make clear that you can keep the cursor here and go to clear comments, and that comment is gone away. So likewise how you can use this feature here. Next, if you have any hyperlinks, if you want to select, suppose example, I will give hyperlink here to insert links. Okay, if you want, I will give any link here, www.google.com. Okay, so now when you click that cursor, Google is opened. Okay, so Google is opened. Okay, so you can clear the hyperlink by going here, right click, remove hyperlink. Okay, so this is one benefit here. Okay, this is editing option, and there is a sort. See, sort organize your data so it is easier to analyze. You can sort the selected data from smallest to largest, largest to smallest, or filter out specific values. This is the feature of sorting. Maybe if you want, I will just click here and go to sort A to Z. See, the smallest is going to up. Similarly, only this column you have to refer, not the other column, because I selected this column. So smallest to largest is it's sorted in smallest to largest manner. So this is how you can use more from largest to smallest. You can give custom sort. You can deselect filter. You can clear the filter. Okay, for example, this one. Now already there is a filter is activated, right? I'll clear the filters. Okay, so this is how filter is cleared. So this is how you can use. And last one is find. If you want to find something, if you want to replace, if you want to go paste special, if you want to insert the formula, if you want to put comments, conditional formatting, all this you can just find out from this feature. Okay, for example, if you want to find out, go to Ctrl F, or you can select here also, go to enter 45. This is not there. Similarly, enter 56. See, 56 is available under D3 cell. So this is how you can find, or you can use find and replace. You can use replace option. So these are one more feature which will help you to find some data, or to find some data and replace with another data, and for other features what is available under this, that also you can use with this sub menu. Okay friends, in this short video we have learned the basic cell under home tab. Under home menu there is a cell features and editing features as well as style features. These features you learned in this session. Friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and request your friends to write a nice comment below in the description section, which will help me to create more and more Excel related videos. Thank you friends watching this video.